task is to dismount this 11R22.5 semi-truck tire. Be sure to not let that core hit you in the eye. Good thing I have the power of editing. This is going to take a while. Apply that good stuff, better known as skid. You gotta have the big boy muscles for this. Lift that tire up with that hammer. It'll save your back. Not that that's not already gone. Apply more skid so you can sleep at night without being in pain. And then kick that son of a... Oh yeah, look at that. Like it's nothing. You better clean that tire good. It's gotta pass Juan's inspection. Now, who's Juan, you might be asking? I'm glad you asked. He is our senior tire technician and expert forklift operator. And if he tells you what to do, you better do it. Don't let that smile fool you, though. He's always got work for you to do. What's the matter with you, cabrón?
Nada.
Don't let your eyes fool you. He actually makes this forklift move that fast. It's kind of heartbreaking. Like I said, there's always more work to get done. Anyways, back to the video. Now this one goes out to all you used tire hillbillies out there. If you can imagine it, we have it in stock. It's okay, I only make it look light for the video. Thanks for watching the Tire Tech. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video. We'll be changing 4 rears on a tow truck, if our backs aren't broken by then, of course.